What's up, MetaVerse update crew? Get ready for a lightning-fast dive into the hottest crypto news. We've got price predictions, network upgrades, and revolutionary new wallets dropping faster than you can say, hodl. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. First up is the XRP price prediction, finally set to explode. And what's the latest from Solana? We're also talking about a brand new Web3 wallet from Remittix that's about to change the game. Then, we're diving deep into why the easy money era in crypto is over, and how Tapzi is outshining even the big players like Blockchain FX and Remittix as the presale to beat. And finally, we'll break down why Solana is jumping amid serious institutional buzz and get the inside scoop on the future of dollar-pegged stablecoins. Don't go anywhere. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. XRP price prediction and Solana's latest moves. Is a breakout imminent? Get ready, crypto enthusiasts, because the digital asset market is buzzing with activity, and all eyes are on XRP and Solana. We're diving deep into the latest XRP price prediction and unraveling the crucial Solana news that has traders on the edge of their seats. While these giants command attention, a new contender, Remittix, is preparing to launch its Web3 wallet, promising real utility beyond the speculative hype. XRP has recently surged past the $3 resistance, with support holding firm between $2.75 and $2.80. Analysts on X are watching closely, suggesting a potential breakout to $3.06 if it clears $3.05. Factors like potential Federal Reserve rate cuts are boosting risk assets, and speculation around ETF approvals is fueling bullish sentiment. Meanwhile, Solana is trading above $226, with strong support at $210-$215 and resistance near $230-$235. A decisive break above this could send SOL prices soaring by 15%, with some bullish predictions reaching $300. Adding to the excitement, Forward Industries is backing a massive $1.6 billion Solana Treasury initiative, bolstering its credibility and demand. The recent Solana Alpenglow upgrade is also enhancing network performance, paving the way for future growth. But the real story might be Remittix. Their upcoming Web3 wallet, slated for a Q3 2025 beta launch, aims to support over 40 cryptocurrencies and 30 fiat currencies, complete with real-time FX conversion and direct crypto-to-bank transfers in more than 30 countries. Security is paramount, with a CertiK audit confirming no critical vulnerabilities. Remittix is also gearing up for listings on major exchanges like Bitmart and Lbank, with more announcements on the horizon. To build community, they're running a generous referral program and a massive $250,000 giveaway. If you're seeking the next big utility-driven altcoin, Remittix, with its strong security, clear roadmap, and growing momentum, presents a compelling case against the more established, yet higher resistance, XRP and Solana. Community reaction is electric, with early adopters excited about Remittix's tangible deliverables and the $250,000 giveaway creating significant buzz. Analysts are noting the project's solid foundation and strategic roadmap, positioning it as a potential disruptor in the pay-fi space. This is just the beginning of our crypto deep dive. You'll want to see what's next. Next, we'll uncover why the easy money era is over and how Tapzi is leading the charge in the competitive presale market. The easy money era ends. Why Tapzi dominates the crypto presale landscape. The era of effortless gains in the crypto market is officially over. Coinbase research signals a shift from easy accumulation to a competitive player-versus-player environment where execution is key. Public companies now hold over 1 million Bitcoin, but the scarcity premium that benefited early adopters like MicroStrategy is rapidly diminishing. Companies like MARA Holdings and Metaplanet face increasing pressure. With tightened Nasdaq requirements and class action, lawsuits highlighting the risks of holding non-yielding assets in a high-interest rate environment. Analysts caution that simply holding Bitcoin is no longer a guarantee of solvency. The $98.4 billion raised by U.S.-listed companies for crypto in 2025, a sharp increase from the previous year, shows the ongoing capital demands. While firms like Strategy Inc. leverage convertible bonds and equity raises, the focus is shifting from mere accumulation to real-world utility. This transition is vividly illustrated in the Web3 gaming sector, where platforms like Tapzi are carving out a niche by offering tangible use cases and player-driven economies, unlike speculative treasury holdings. Tapzi stands out as the premier crypto presale, offering a unique approach to the GameFi ecosystem that rewards skill. Currently priced at 0.0035, its tokenomics project a 186% increase to its listing price of 1 cent, driven by adoption and gameplay utility, not pure speculation. With a fixed supply of 5 billion TAPZI tokens and clear allocations, it avoids the inflationary pressures plaguing many GameFi projects. The Web3 gaming market, valued at $25 billion in 2024 and projected to reach $124.7 billion by 2032, provides a fertile ground for Tapzi's growth. Its skill-to-earn model, where players stake TAPZI tokens to compete in classic games like chess and checkers, ensures outcomes are determined by skill, not chance. This eliminates gas fees and complex onboarding, making Web3 gaming accessible to the 1.5 billion mobile gamers worldwide. Investor sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with Tapzi's structured tokenomics and adoption-focused mechanics seen as a blueprint for sustainable growth. The project's roadmap, aligned with the booming Web3 gaming market, aims to capture significant expansion. Analysts are particularly impressed by Tapzi's ability to fix core GameFi weaknesses like inflation, bot farming, and idle speculation, positioning it as a scalable hub for competitive gaming. Stay tuned, because the market momentum doesn't stop here. Next, we're tracking Solana's impressive surge and what it means for institutional investment. Solana's bull run, institutional buzz fuels 2.53% surge. Solana, Sol, is making waves in the crypto sphere, experiencing a significant price jump of 2.53% in the last 24 hours, pushing its value past the $243.15 mark. This upward trend is signaling strong bullish sentiment and growing investor confidence, indicating that Solana might be on the cusp of reaching new price milestones. The cryptocurrency kicked off its daily trading session at $237.38, gradually climbing to its current position. This consistent upward movement, despite facing immediate resistance at $245.72, is bolstered by substantial investor interest. Market observers are keenly watching for catalysts that could trigger a decisive breakout, with secondary and tertiary resistance levels identified at $248.90 and $252.16 respectively. On the support side, $239.84 offers immediate backing, followed by $236.21 and $232.77. This robust performance is largely attributed to increasing institutional interest. The prospect of clearing resistance levels could see Solana not only reach $251.60 within the next 30 days, representing a 3.48% rise from current levels, but potentially challenge higher targets. The network's recent Alpenglow upgrade, enhancing transaction finality and consensus performance, further solidifies its foundation for future growth. This combination of technical improvements and growing institutional backing paints a very optimistic picture for Solana's trajectory. The crypto community is buzzing with excitement over Solana's upward momentum, with many analysts pointing to the growing institutional adoption as a key driver. The token's ability to maintain support levels while challenging resistance is seen as a strong indicator of sustained growth, with projections suggesting a continued climb in the coming weeks. But what does this mean for the future of digital currency transactions? Next, we're exploring the radical idea that dollar-pegged stablecoins might soon ditch their tickers entirely. The future of stablecoins, no tickers needed. Get ready for a seismic shift in how we interact with dollar-pegged stablecoins. Mert Mumtaz, CEO of Helios, predicts that stablecoins will eventually shed their price tickers, becoming seamlessly integrated into exchanges as a simple USD option. This future envisions a backend abstraction where users won't need to differentiate between various dollar-pegged tokens. The current stablecoin sector, characterized by bidding wars for tokens like hyperliquid USD, USDH, and proposals promising 100% yield back to platforms, has become commoditized. Mumtaz anticipates a proliferation of stablecoin issuers and payment chains, which could lead to liquidity fragmentation. His proposed solution, exchanges accepting all stablecoins and handling denomination on the backend, aims to prevent capital from being trapped within isolated ecosystems. As the global financial system moves online, stablecoins are poised to become the de facto standard for digital fiat currencies. Adding to this vision, Reeve Collins, co-founder of Tether and Wi-Fi, foresees AI agents managing user portfolios, automatically handling yield-bearing tokens and abstracting away the complexity of multiple stablecoin options. The primary drivers for token selection will be profitability and ease of use. This technological evolution, powered by AI, will lower technical hurdles for end users, making digital asset management more intuitive and accessible. The move towards abstraction means the underlying token's performance and ease of use will be paramount, rather than its specific ticker or issuer. The community is actively discussing this prediction, with many seeing it as an inevitable evolution toward greater user convenience and market efficiency. Analysts suggest that this abstraction will accelerate the adoption of stablecoins as a primary medium of exchange in the digital economy, simplifying transactions and fostering broader integration with internet-native financial systems. And that brings us to the end of our Pact update. Before you go, let's do a super fast recap of today's biggest stories. All right, MetaVerse update viewers, that was a whirlwind tour of the crypto universe. We covered the latest XRP price prediction and Solana news, explored the end of the easy money era with Tapzi leading the presale charge, saw Solana's impressive institutional-driven surge, and peeked into the future of stablecoins with no tickers. Don't miss out on the next big thing. Smash that like button, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your crypto needs, ring that notification bell so you're always in the know, drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.